Okay, yo. Okay, yo. Okay, yo.
Next stop on the train will be 42nd Street Port Authority.
Okay, yo.
Trans available to the C, E, N, Q, and R trains. Also available. Number 1, 2, 3, 7 shuttle train. Also available Port Authority bus terminal.
I got his ass
42nd Street Port
in.
Authority.
You wanna take this shit out? Let's get off at the next stop, bro.
Are you serious, bro?
I
Slow
got
your
his
roll.
motherfucking ass in.
Slow
He's
your
drunk,
roll,
he's drunk,
Bridging
he's
Tunnel.
drunk, he's
Fuck
drunk.
you, nigger.
Slow your roll.
Don't worry over it, bro.
It's okay, I'm a spit, so it's all good.
This is what MTA do to people, man. Frustrate people, man.
Welcome to
I got
Bridging
his
Tunnel.
ass in. What are you laughing at? You think that's funny? You'll get off at the next stop. You think that's funny?
Why'd
Let's take this shit
ironically,
like Eminem.
Why'd
I'll beat your ass like
ironically,
all the
Eminem?
times that Eminem.
I'm
Let's
getting
go.
off at the next stop.
Let's go, bro. Yo.
Available to the C,
He
E,
dropped his
N,
head.
Q, and
Let me
R
give it to him
trains.
slow. So fuck you, nigger.
Exactly. Give it to me slow, Slim Shady. That's cool.
Fuck you, bitch.
No, it's all good.
Yeah, what you
Slim
fuck?
Shady.
You can't stare at me, bro.
Merry Christmas.
Fuck you.
Merry
bitch.
Christmas.
This what MTA.
Merry Christmas. No, I'm just saying Merry Christmas.
Number
Just
1,
say Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
shuttle train.
yeah.
Also
What
available
the
Port
fuck's your
Authority
problem?
bus
What the fuck's your problem? What the fucking problem?
Don't do this.
Sure.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this.
Yo.
Let me off the train. Don't do
Get off the
this.
goddamn fucking train.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do
Oh
this.
my God. This nigga bugging.
Yo. Who the fuck do you think you are?
Dude's drunk.
Get off the goddamn train. Get off the goddamn fucking train. Go.
Just come, baby. Just go home. Just go
Black man,
home.
white man, God made us all, fellas.
Just go home.
Nobody.
I let your guy go, man.
Just go home. Let's go home.
That's it. Respect.
Okay, let's go home.
This is what MTA do, man. You fucking make people suffer, and they so frustrated.
Check your young lady home.
Hold on, let me call the cops.
This going on Facebook right away. Man, that's just a word, man. Everybody's a nigga. Yeah, I mean, it's an expression, you know what I mean? Just like how Japanese people say baka, that's the same way. Man, just please, I'm a mutt. I'm a mutt nigga. That's what I am. Everybody got the nigga then.
Check this shit out in the next stop. Pull this fucking bag, yo. Yeah. What the fuck?
Oh my God, stop, please.
The man ain't did nothing to you, son.
Oh, he's drinking.
Jesus, I bind the spirit up. In the name of Jesus Christ, I bind the evil spirit up. Relax, man.
Yo, you're fucking nigger society. That's up to me. Stop it. This shit's society. I already called the FBI. I'm a society.
That's world star right there, boy.
Yo, fuck World Star. I'm going on Colors Bruce World Star, man. Fuck that. I got my own shit there on Facebook, so.
This on fucking 5F. Forget it, yo. You don't got a problem with me.
It's the alcohol.
I don't need to check my lady, bro. It's your own people who are fucking with me, yo.
I'm in love with that cool.
Yeah, I'm
He need a
fucking
blunt, that's what he
asshole,
need.
That's right, you fucking white bitch.
You need to experience with Jesus Christ, my man. You need to experience with Jesus Christ.
I don't need to experiment my fucking shit, yo. Fuck you.